Hi everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be talking about hotspots. Most companies these days claim quote-unquote unlimited data, but they always have these exceptions or limitations on what is unlimited. One of them that we are going to talk about is Verizon's unlimited personal hotspot that slows down after 15 gigabytes. And a trick that you can use to extend/bypass that limit beyond the 15 gigabyte throttle, you may have it up to 200 gigabytes of high-speed hotspot. Now keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes. We are not responsible in how you use this. Now as far as we know, this is not illegal or against Verizon's terms of use, since you are not hacking Verizon in any way, just simply changing packet data slightly. It varies on device or application anyways. Still, the carrier might decide that they might cut you off or use another method of checking if the personal hotspot is in use. This should work both on iPhone and Android. But in this video, we are going to be showing you on iPhone. This can only be used on a computer like Windows or Mac because you need to run command prompt. And most other devices like Chromecast, Xbox, or PlayStations don't have command prompt to change the values that you need to change. Now, I know that there will be 100 questions about this trick working on other carriers like T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, etc. Simply the answer is no, and I will explain how it works and why it only works on Verizon that we know of. If you watched any of our previous videos, it came down to two things, APN and TTL, which is time to live. APN is the access point name. Think of it as like an address that your device connects through to get connected to the internet. It's like knowing which portal to go through. Most carriers will have several APNs for different use cases, like AT&T uses phone for their phones, and then broadband for any hotspot USB modems, or like an iPhone. But Verizon uses VZ Winternet for both phone and hotspot, which on phone is usually hard-coded into specific APNs for regular data, and another for hotspot. Almost every other carrier does use different ones. But since Verizon does not, it makes it super easy. Second part is time to live. Simply put, when packets travel through routers, switches, and other network equipment, there are times that it gets stuck in a loop and cannot find its destination. So what TTL does is it tells it how many hops a packet jump can take place before it dies. So if it does not find its destination in 65 hops, then the router gets rid of it. Now phones generally have about 64 hops, and the computers on Windows 10 have 128 hops. Since TTL is read by all network equipment anyways, it makes it easier for carriers to read TTL and decide if it is a phone or computer. Now let's get into how we can use this, and it's super easy. Just go into your iPhone settings, go into Personal Hotspot, turn it on, open up your command prompt if on Windows or Terminal on Mac and type in this command. Hit enter and that's it. If you are already past your 15 gigabyte limit, you should notice the speeds and are much faster. And if you are still under the limit, then it shouldn't count against it when you are using this command. Now something you want to note or remember, some applications might not follow the command and still send it using the regular TTL. Generally, that doesn't happen much, and you have to run that command each time you reboot the computer in every computer that connects to it. VPN is recommended to mask your connection better and force all data to use desired TTL. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to leave a like and to subscribe to be notified of our next videos and to support us to continue making these videos.